The two types of sets that we will be learning today are really simple. I will be taking the help of air hockey game again. Just to give you a recap, in the first game, I won all the 7 rounds and my nephew won none. Now, as you can guess, we can form two different sets here. Set W can be defined as the set of all the rounds I won in game 1. The roster notation for set W is this. The second set Q can be defined as the rounds that my nephew won in game 1. What will be the roster form of representation for this set? Yes, of course, it will be an empty set as my nephew did not win any round in game 1. So we have two sets defined here, set W and set Q. I want you to take a look at set W and tell me if you can count the number of rounds I won in game 1. Or in other words, can you count the number of elements of this set? Of course you can. The fact that we can count the number of elements of a set means we have a finite number of elements. And a set having a finite number of elements is called a finite set. Let me repeat again. If we can count all the elements of a set and assign a particular value to the number of elements, say 10, 48, 97 and so on, it means the set has a finite number of elements, making it a finite set. So, the set containing all the rounds I won in game 1 is a finite set. You just learned about another type of set just like that. In fact, let me give you some more examples. Consider the set of all vowels in the English alphabet. It has to be a finite set as it has only 5 elements in it and they are countable. Similarly, the set of all the natural numbers less than equal to 5 is a finite set. How about this set C, which contains all the elements x such that x is a root of the quadratic equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Is it a finite set? If we were to solve this equation, we will write it as x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. This means that the roots of the equation are 2 and 3.
If you enjoyed watching this video, link is in the description, and to keep watching such cool content, like, share and subscribe.